Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to unlock your creativity in Dress to Impress by using the free play mode. So in here, I currently on the regular mode or regular server, and here if you want to unlock your creativity you can use this free play mode. So just click on this extra at the top and then tap on server, and here you'll see the free play mode. So just click on this join button to enter the free play mode. Click on yes and you'll be teleporting to the free play mode. You can see DTI free play mode. Okay, now I already entered the free play mode. So in the free play mode, this it is different from the regular server where you can explore as much as you like because there is no limited time and there is no judging, no competition. So you can just explore, and you can also use this free play mode to unlock your creativity or to practice like with a certain theme. You can just use this mode. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.